Okay, so for this assignment, we had to pick 3 articles about the flipped classroom. The first article I picked was called "Why Flipped Learning." This article talked about students listening to lectures at home and doing like regular schoolwork at home, and then doing like group work and class discussions and stuff in class. Um, and by doing this, students are able to master the material because they have more time. Whereas in school, if you were giving a lecture, you have a limited time to do that. And it builds flexibility and confidence. And I also have the link to the website. Some of the strategies that came from this article were giving lectures as homework to do at home. Sorry. This is especially important in case of, like, if there's illnesses or family emergencies or vacations where the student needs to do their homework at home. For students to be in class discussions because that is the work at school, which builds confidence, and make children collaborate so they learn how to work with others and use more than just the knowledge they learn out of a book. The second article was called "Why Flip?" and this was like talking about the fundamental purpose of flipping a classroom is to promote critical thinking and engagement. They talk about 5 different strategies, so I'll talk about 3 on the next slide and these 2 on here. So using chunking to divide materials allows students to absorb and understand better. And using cooperative groups allows students to get used to the people around them and be able to share their findings with each other. So the strategies for Article 2 is pausing, so like taking a break or pause between class to allow them to share and regroup and like share their notes with others. Solving is providing real-world problem-solving situations in class to promote higher-order thinking. And engaging in conversation with peers is the heart of flipped classrooms. Last article is called Filling a Flipped Classroom with Active Learning. Flipped learning is where the model of direct learning is done outside of class, and this is so students are encouraged to work on material on their own through their own research and their textbooks. This also allows class discussion and group work to be more prominent in the classroom. And the strategies for this were pose a debatable topic in class for class to discuss, promoting student engagement, especially if they have a really strong opinion about a certain topic. Have students research the issues on their own to build confidence, and then pose arguments against those issues to promote them to go back and like do some critical thinking.